Hi, I'm Dulce, your Asia's power singing diva. From my Dulce Amor days to where I am now mentoring aspiring singers, I feel proud bringing honor to our country. At my age, I make sure I live fit and healthy with proper diet, exercise, and MX3 every day. MX3 is one of my instruments to complete the powerful rhythm and harmony of my musicality.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Mag-MX3 araw-araw para M-Extraordinary.
Naaamoy mo ba yun?
Baka naaamoy ka na rin ng katabi mo.
Baka as emergency na yan. Check yourself and use Rexona after every bath. Ang #1 Deo lotion ng bayan. Say no to as emergencies.
From traffic lights to bright lights, adventure sites, and chill nights. Basta Sunsilk with regular use, may lugay-ready hair ka anytime, anywhere. Use Sunsilk Smooth and Manageable with Active Infusion, made with a blend of flower oils, vitamin B3, and collagen. Now with its best-ever fragrance versus previous formulations. Sunsilk, $225 lang per wash based on sachet SRP.
Taga saan ka?
Taga Vito Cruz.
Taga saan ka?
Taga Barangay LS.
Hi, going out?
Turn off kay Crush. Use Close-Up with antibacterial zinc for all-day amazing fresh breath for up to 12 hours with regular use.
Kasha pa?
Kasya pa sa tabi ko.
Dare to get closer with Close-Up.
Naaamoy mo ba yun?
Baka naaamoy ka na rin ng katabi mo.
Baka as emergency na yan. Check yourself and use Rexona after every bath. Ang #1 Deo lotion ng bayan. Say no to as emergencies.
Nako mga kapuso, sino kaya ang kakampihan ni Lilet Matias? Ang mabuting kaibigan ba o ang kadugo? Abangan nyo ang mas tumitinding eksena sa Lilet Matias Attorney at Law dahil gustong kausapin ni Ramir si Lilet para kumbinsihin itong tulungan ng kapatid laban sa pagsampa ng kaso kay Ino. Papayag kaya si Lilet Matias kahit alam niyang inosente si Ino? Lunes hanggang Biyernes at 3:20 p.m. sa GMA Afternoon Prime.
Pare, nandito na ako sa meeting room. The host will see you soon daw. Saan na kayo?
Sa Barangay LS!
Anong asing kilig sinigang mo?
Pork!
Chicken! Fish! Kahit ano, mapapakilig ka sa sarap. Basta may Knorr Sinigang Mix. Made with real sampalok and seasonings for your asing kilig sarap. Kaya sabaw pa lang, ulam na.
Asim kilap na taba. Asim kilap ng pamilya. Asim kilip, gusto ko pang kumain ng sinigang na love namin. Extra rice pa!
Knorr.
Yeah, Remo, breakfast.
Big day today, Dad.
Then you need a Bigatin sandwich. Lady's Choice ham spread, made with real ham and farm fresh eggs. Meaty busog?
Sarap!
Ready na?
Busog pa!
Starts at 12 pesos SRP.
Sobrang init. Ganun yung pagmamahal. Kaya #1 AM station ang Super Radio DZWB. At #1 FM station ang Barangay LS. GMA Radio is still #1. Maraming salamat mga kapuso.
Isang bansa, isang barangay.
Tayo ay forever. Kahit malayo, I can't be stronger. Dahil para sa'kin ay the distance wouldn't matter.
Barangay LS 97.1, number 1.
Yung malabo na nga yung sitwasyon, pero imbis na humanap ng solusyon, ang hinanap mo, karelasyon!
I-talk to Papa na.